Today we're going to be unboxing a microphone that we're going to be using for the rest of our videos. Here it is. There is the beautiful microphone and the phone. There's a USB cable and a start guide. This is the USB cable. There's Velcro over here to keep it shut. And yeah. And this is the start guide. Okay. It says the beautiful microphone right here. The way to do this, turn it on. Okay.
Puedes ahora. Dame ese extremo para conectarlo a...
Okay, we have the whole thing over here. Please, please. I'm very slow. There, we connect that. And over there. And the way to turn this on.
Two eternities later.
It also comes with a tripod here.
Es más fácil darle vueltas al tripod que al micrófono.
Oh. Okay, we have it fixed now. In the start guide, the controls.
Try not to move the table.
Okay. So, let's see. It should work now. Is it working? Hello? Hello, hello, hello? Do, 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 do. No? This is a very, very confusing first video. Okay.
Ok, habla, a ver.
Hello.
Bien.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. It says enter your PC or Mac settings to make sure connection is established. Is it working? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Hello?
Creo que está en mute.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Is it working?
Habla.
Hello! Yes, it's working. It's not? Oh, because I was on mute. Hello? Hello? Yes, it's working.
Now it has different modes. Omnidirectional, from the top, I don't know, and everywhere.
Bidirectional is this one. There's stereo, omni, and cardioid.
Now try again.
Okay.
You say something.
Hello? Can you hear me? This is a test.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
En español.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? Can you hear me? This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I love it!
He loves it. Okay. That is all for this unboxing video. Sorry for all the confusion. Please be nice.
Don't forget to be nice. Bye!